What is up, you little carrots? Welcome back to Farming the Market. This is your boy, the Average Trading Joe. Just wanted to say thank you all to everybody that's subscribed to the channel so far. We're looking to push to 100 subscribers by the end of year. We're at 96 right now, so let's keep that ball rolling. Today we're going to be talking about a company called Ocugen. Stock ticker is OCGN. It's kind of relatively new stock for me, but they did make a pretty big run up from 30 something cents a share all the way up to over $3 a share yesterday. And this article is the reason why. Kind of put it on my radar. I was waiting for a little dip. I bought like 300 shares at about $2.12 today. It's down trading at about $1.99 a share right now. But here's the reason for the run up. They partnered with a company called Bharat Biotech over in India. And Bharat Biotech has done a COVID phase 1 and phase 2 trials for their vaccine called Covaxin over in India. Basically, they're partnering with them. Ocugen is going to get the U.S. market, and they're going to be responsible for, producing the vaccine over here and getting it out and distributed. But they're looking to do a phase 3 clinical trial in India involving 26,000 volunteers. They had 1,000 volunteers for their phase 1 and phase 2 trials. But they're looking to move to phase 3. So reason Ocugen popped up on my radar was because of the low market cap. They're at like a $345 million market cap right now, and the potential for this could be massive. So I would recommend loading shares instead of options on this one. That's what I did. And there's a couple reasons for that. I don't really know how long it's going to take for it to pop, if it's going to, but my target on this is going to be $7.50 a share. That's when I'm going to be looking to dump them. But I'll probably end up getting rid of 100 shares or so if it runs up, doubles or triples in price, just because that'll give me a free roll for the other remaining shares that I have. But, they got through phase 1 and phase 2 trials, so Covaxin, sounds promising. They're moving on to phase 3. They're in India. India is like the most populated country in the world. So that's huge, and they're actually very close to Europe. They have a lot of European influences in India, so that's another reason. And with Europe, there's a new strain that's mutating for the virus and everything. So yeah, just wanted to bring you guys in and show you Covaxin and Ocugen and get you guys into this if you're interested. And also, as always, I love reading your all's comments. I love getting back to you guys, and if you have anything you think I should be looking into, please let me know. But I'm just going to read this little blip right here. We are delighted to collaborate with Bharat Biotech to potentially bring Covaxin to the U.S. market. In the face of the coronavirus pandemic, it is incumbent upon all of us to find solutions that have the potential to save lives and restore normalcy to our day-to-day activities. We have been very pleased with the safety and immunogenicity demonstrated by the phase 1 and phase 2 trials of Covaxin, and are encouraged with the progress of phase 3 trials in India. We believe this unique yet traditional approach to vaccination holds great potential to appeal to a broad range of the population. And that is from Dr. Shankar Musunuri, the chairman and CEO and co-founder of Ocugen. Okay, Ocugen does, if you guys look at the top left of the screen, there's a little eye. They're working on stuff for treating blindness in patients, so that's another thing they have going for them. But yeah, like I said, shares were trading in the 20 cents, 25 plus cent range to 30 something cent range, and they had a huge, massive, like 800% run up. So if you guys aren't in on Ocugen, it's definitely time to take a look at them. They had a nice little drop off today. I decided, like I said, to load at about $2.12 a share, and then I loaded another 100 at roughly 202, so my average is looking like 208, I believe, something like that. But this article came out on the 22nd, a couple days ago, and I kind of wanted to watch the run up and see what would happen. But like I said, India, they're doing phase 3 trials. They're getting ready to begin those, I believe. So Ocugen has the U.S. market for it. So 345 million market cap, that could become massive. Things we need to watch for is Ocugen is most likely going to do a share offering to raise funds to begin the production of the vaccine. So that's something to keep an eye on. Share offering, it's bound to happen right now. So something to keep an eye on. Still a relatively new stock to me, so I don't really know a whole lot more details about it, but we will be getting more into it and following the press releases. So if you guys like the channel, please make sure you like and subscribe. I love making these videos. I love hearing back from you guys. And I look forward to a nice and prosperous, end of the year going into the new year. So I wish that all for you guys as well. And happy holidays for those of you that are watching before the holiday. And I will see you all in the next video. I hope you all have a great holiday season and a great day as well. Thank you for watching.